Everybody's Terry. I'm on a field trip. I'm in Inkster, Michigan at the Sound Explosion to pick up a Pilot radio hi-fi unit. It's in this building. I've been coordinating with a guy on Facebook Market for a few weeks and we're here to pick it up. Let's go. It's kind of a strange location. Check it out. They got video surveillance. So do I. All right, let's see if the pilot's in here. Alright, yeah. This place is loaded with cool stuff. Wow. Hello. Good. Okay, so back here is the Pilot Hi-Fi unit. I've been after one of these for a while. And there it is, right there. Check it out.
Great shape. I think it works.
It is beautiful.
Except I think the needle is.
It's the needles. He said he had to fool the needle to get sound.
Yeah, you know, it's an old ceramic, right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
it's
Yes,
probably,
not a big deal.
probably needs to be replaced, but
Can you fire it up?
yeah, sure.
Yeah. He said it hums a little bit and
Yeah.
the turntable's slow, but not a big deal.
There's a plug back here for a separate speaker.
Oh, is there? Okay.
I think so, and that's
Cool.
I think that's the control down there for it.
Okay.
But there's a couple of things back there.
So online, it looked more blonde than what it is. So you can see all the speakers down there. It's got a Girard turntable in it. And what really caught my eye is the fact it's got a selector switch. So you can select, an external tuner, auxiliary tapes, all that. So it's a little bit more versatile than your typical console. Okay, we just fired her up.
Yeah. Sure. We'll take. I said the cartridge is bad, but
Oh, okay.
when we pull this out, we get a little hum.
A little bit?
I kind of
Okay.
think
Okay.
it's all pretty good shape.
Oh, there it is. And there's the hum, as expected. That's not a problem. Okay, let's kill it. That's good.
All right.
All right, so let's do the D-Lab famous aerial view of this place. There is just a load of cool stuff here. I'll just kind of walk down the aisles. You guys can check it out. This is almost as fun as going to a ham fest. It's just a bunch of records. Look at all these albums. Got clocks, all kinds of weird stuff. Over here I see just a whole bunch of audio equipment. So, in there. Hopefully I don't get popped for copyright. If so, I'll find a way to edit out the music. So you guys just got to see all this. It's just everywhere. I don't see a lot of tube type equipment though. But there's some beautiful floor speakers. That looks like a little tube amp right there. Lots of stuff. You can see some full-size Barbies over here. Get an eyeful, guys. I'm doing the best I can to capture it. Here's a little crayon record player. Wow. Well, here is their business card. If you guys want to come in here and check out the goodies. I could stay in here for hours, but unfortunately I have another appointment with my son in a few hours, and then tomorrow we're going to the Vintage Electronics Expo. But if you guys spot something here, hey, you just can't live it out. You got a little first-hand view of the goodies. Looks like some 8-tracks. This must be the office. Some stuff back here must have came in that they're sorting. It's just stuff everywhere. This is a lot of fun. I'm glad we came here. Look at there. Hang out in the recliner if you need to. Some tape decks back there. Marsha's over here shopping for CDs. You looking for CDs? No? Okay.
I'm just looking.
Okay. Well, I already went down that aisle, so I'm going to swoop over here. Wow. All the way up to the ceiling. And then we're making our way back where the Pilot console is. Look at this. What is this? It's an old dual table. Get around here and pop the top. Hopefully without breaking it. Well, a dual turntable. That's a beauty. Man. I have to ask these guys if they got any tube stuff hiding around. Okay, I think we're gonna load up the Pilot and I'll see if the guy that I talked to shows up. Hey! Man of the hour, John!
What's happening?
Hope you don't mind being on video. I already shot your store, man.
Oh, very good. How's
Good
it
to meet
going?
you, sir.
Nice to meet you too.
Yeah, we're already checking out the radio. That's all good. I paid your other guy there, and
And there's a lot of other stuff. I don't know if
Yeah.
you got a chance to look around.
oh yeah, oh yeah, man.
You
Yeah.
work on this stuff too.
Yes, sir. I sure do. Yeah. And
Yeah.
and my wife now, she's my videographer. That's Marsha. This is John. Yep. Oh, I'm sorry. All right, we'll cut back, man. Scored a couple other components. Marsha's pulling up because she knows that if I stay here much longer, I'll fill the car up. These guys are really cool. They're giving me really good deals. Check this out. All right, so we got this Knight amplifier, and below it is an ICO. And over here is an old Silver Series KLH receiver. More fun projects for D-Lab. All right, guys, we're going to take off because Marsha's getting really upset at me loading up the car because I'm not even at the expo yet. So I got John and Carl. They own this business, and I thought maybe they can give you a little bit of a history about what's going on, how our sales and all that good stuff. How you guys doing with this?
Well, it's paying for the store, so we have up and downs. But so far, everything is, we're not going in the hole or anything.
How long you been running the
It's been
shop?
10 years.
Oh,
10
wow.
years last year.
Okay.
It's 10 years. And
You guys buy estates then and bring the
no, we
equipment here?
mostly, well, myself, I'm a estate sale junkie. I love going chasing records. I've been
Yeah.
doing that for most of my life.
Right.
Carl's been in the records forever.
Yeah.
Been a collector for a long time.
Yeah. But now you got to get rid of it because we're not getting any younger, right?
Right, right.
Unless you guys are making a pyramid and you can put it all in there with you.
Put it all in the ground with it. Yeah. This
Okay.
was after retiring. Couldn't find nobody to buy my whole collection, so
Sure.
sell it one at a time.
Sure enough. Sure enough. Well, now you guys are in contact with me, so if you come up with a repair, you're just gonna have to haul it to Battle Creek, but I can help you out.
Very good.
All
Very
right.
good.
Good meeting you, Carl.
They ship it to
Yep. Yes, sir. All right, John.
You,
Yep.
yes.
Thanks for the deals, guys.
All right. Thank you.
Okay.